sunny way. Ring-a-ding and honk-honk too. Guess who's coming? Me and you. Yummy, yummy ice cream, cold and sweet. Melts in my mouth, oh what a treat. Chocolate, mango, strawberry swirl. Every scoop makes my fingers twirl. Mom says pick just one today, but they all shout yummy and play. Minty green and bubblegum blue. Rainbow sprinkles sticking like glue. One for brother, one for sis. One big bite, ooh what bliss. Lick it quick before it drips. Slurpy sounds and giggly lips. Yummy, yummy ice cream, cold and sweet. Dancing toes and happy feet. In a cone or in a cup. Scoop it high and eat it up. Waffle cones are crunchy fun, melting fast under the sun. Cherry on top, what a sight. Sticky fingers, pure delight. Do you like vanilla? Yes, I do. About banana, one scoop too. Do you love some caramel goo? Dripping, slipping, I do too. We sit under the ice cream tree, singing songs so joyfully. Birdies chirp and butterflies fly. Ice cream smiles beneath the sky. Yummy, yummy ice cream, cold and sweet. Summer sun and tasty treat. Sharing scoops with all my friends, hoping this day never ends. So if you hear that jingle play, grab your shoes and run away to the truck of creamy dreams, full of happy, yummy ice creams.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.